वेलकम बैक। आलमी बिरादरी के पास प्लान बी नहीं है, अमन ही वाहिद रास्ता है। चेयरमैन बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी का बरतानवी टीवी को इंटरव्यू। कहा कि तनाज़े का हल सिर्फ पुरअमन तरीके से मुमकिन है, जंग की ऐसी नौयत किसी सूरत काबिल कबूल नहीं।
I think that the international community doesn't have a plan B. Our plan A needs to be achieving a peaceful resolution to this conflict and a more permanent peace. I think this conflict has, the way this conflict has played out has proven that war of this nature, war of this scale is not an option. The catastrophic consequences as far as human life and as far as the economic consequences are there for all to be seen. And it's up to us, it's up to the disputing parties, it's up to all the countries who would like to see this issue resolved peacefully, to now push all sides to agree to that peace, so that we don't get drawn in to a potentially more broader conflict than what we've seen over the course of the last month.